We're going to look at technology transfer. What do you guys think of when you hear the word technology transfer?
Technology, like you transferring stuff.
Do you remember the other day when I mentioned technology transfer of using a tennis racket for swatting flies? Technology transfer means you're using an object for something other than for what it was intended.
Kind of like using a lemon to try to get rust off your car other than eating it. Trying to use it for
Okay, that's an example. Now, technology transfer itself. We'll see this NASA has come up with many things that we use for technology transfer. Um, the buckyball is something, a soccer ball. Now, what is technology transfer? Often, you'll see new technologies, and it's going to lead to new processes or changes. How we do things, how a process is set up. Technology transfer occurs when a new user applies an existing technology and they use it for something different than for what it was originally intended. Now, example, the soccer ball. Now, a geodesic dome is constructed of a series of triangles. They're created, they create together a spear-shaped structure. Now we have a new patent, an improved soccer ball called the buckyball. Example is robotics. Robotics is a common example of a technology that affects the way we have products that are created. We'll view that video a little bit later. Now, before robotics, how was the assembly of car bodies made?
be really long and hard.
Long and hard, what do you mean?
It would take a lot of time and be very long and like hard to work.
I think we had more people handling the parts then. What are some of the other impact of replacing human workers with technology?
Less jobs.
Okay, less jobs, but we also have a safety factor too, right?
Yep, yep.
Now, we're going to look at NASA spinoffs. NASA spinoffs are products designed to be used with the NASA program, and now they're common products that we use here on Earth. It might be a cooling suit, it's one of the things. Insulation for your pipes, flame-resistant textiles, cordless drills that are using batteries. Now, the impacts of technology transfer. The human ability to shape the future comes from a capacity for generating our knowledge and what we would like to see with new technologies. We're communicating the ideas to other people. Without communicating the ideas, we wouldn't know what's going on. Therefore, we may be more like the cavemen. Remember the cartoon, Fred and Irma? The Flintstones. That's going to be a little bit different. side effects. Some of them may not be acceptable, and we may have some conflict, but the majority of them will be valuable. Questions before we look at our video?